Okay, folks, last tutorial for today. This one is for Khan Academy. So hopefully you've used this before, but if not, you just go to khanacademy.org. It's not .com, it's .org. Make sure you log in using your Google student email and password. If you don't, you will not see your assignments. Once you're logged in, if you've logged in before, your class should already be over here. If you have not logged in before, it might show you have you answer some questions. One of the questions might be what course. Just click Algebra 2. I'm not sure what questions they ask because I've been logged in for so long. But if you have any questions over getting started, just send me an email or a message and I will help you out. Once you're in, over here on the left side, you should see Algebra 2 and then your period for your course. And right underneath of its assignments. You can have more than one course, so make sure you click on the right one and you have your assignments show up. So there's a couple things I want to show you. First thing is past assignments can be accessed even if they're late. They just won't be full credit. Active assignments, be careful with the due dates. Okay. And then take a look at just status over here. Okay. So I have a couple ones I want to show you. I have one that's completed, one that's 100%, one that says start, and one that says try again. So what are the difference between these? Well, the first thing that's different is this one here has a triangle, and so does this one. Those are videos. So you would click the video, you would watch it, and then you can click next assignment or you can X. But it will only show this completed if you watch the video 100%. If you start the video, even if you skip to the end, it will not change unless you watch the entire video. Second thing is these stars are for assignments. You're going to answer some questions. So it will give you a grade. And if you're not happy with your grade, you have the option to try again. And as you're answering questions, let's say you don't get it all the way right because there's more than one answer. Be careful, make sure you're reading the instructions. Sometimes you might have to scroll up or down to see all the choices. But if you don't get it right on the first try, there's usually a chance to try again at least once or twice. And then you can go on to your next question. So still didn't get all the choices. Now, if you miss it, you also have the option here to get help or to move on. Now, moving on will mark it incorrect. Same thing if it says skip for now. So if I go all the way to the end doing that, let me show you what the get help does. The get help gives you an example of how to do it. You can also go back and watch the video. And then you can scroll back up and answer the questions. So if you hit skip for now, then it's going to mark them wrong. Well, that is all for today. There's not going to be an assignment for today, but on Monday there will be. So make sure you're checking back in on Monday. Have a good weekend.